Hi, everyone. I'm so pleased you're here with us today and to have the next few minutes to share with you how an integrated medicine approach can be a tremendous tool to help you achieve wellness. My name is Yufang Lin. I am a integrated medicine specialist at Center for Integrative and Lifestyle Medicine in Cleveland Clinic. For those of you who are new to integrated medicine is a medical practice that combines the tools and understanding of conventional medicine, which is the allopathic medicine, with the tools and understanding of complementary and alternative medicine such as Ayurveda, Chinese medicine, herbal medicine, chiropractic, as well as other healing traditions, with the goal to help people heal from within. There are a few concepts that's really important in integrated medicine. One is that we believe our body has a tremendous ability to heal itself. Consider the fact that we're healing all the time, from minor to major injuries, trauma, infection, surgery, even heart attack or stroke. In general, our body can heal fully. Sometimes those events are pretty traumatic and our body may not heal fully. So consider maybe major heart attack or major stroke or major car accidents that require amputation. But most times our body can heal quite well. In fact, to the point where you don't even remember some of those events, right? So our body can heal. Thus, if we have a chronic medical condition, oftentimes there's something that's driving that disease process beyond the body's ability to fully heal. And in integrated medicine, our goal is to help people identify, minimize, and remove those triggers if at all possible. If not, our goal is to support the body's innate healing process. Another concept that's very important in integrated medicine is that we believe everything in our body is connected emotionally, physically, and energetically. So we cannot look at our brain health without looking at gut health, without looking at heart health or emotional health or bone health. We have to look at the body holistically. And how a disease happens in an individual can vary. But there's another concept that's really important to remember is that there are some commonalities for a lot of diseases. And one of the commonality is inflammation. We know that chronic inflammation drives chronic disease, such as heart disease, diabetes, cancer, brain disease like Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's, as well as arthritis and autoimmune conditions. So if we can help someone reduce the inflammation burden to the body, we can also reduce their disease burden. And the way we do that is by starting by examining the 4 pillars of health, which is nutrition, exercise, sleep, and mindfulness, how they're dealing with stress. We start with food. What we eat matters. If we eat food that are rich in trans fat, high in saturated fat, ultra processed, rich in salt, sugar, food additives, those all contribute to chronic disease, contribute to chronic inflammation. Instead, we want to assess people in how well they're eating in food they're rich in nutrient dense foods such as vegetables and fruits, food they're healthy in fat, food that are good and healthy fat and healthy protein to support their healing process. Those foods also reduce inflammation and have micronutrients that's really critical in the body's innate healing process. We also help people improve their health by looking at how they sleep, because we heal when we're sleeping at night. And if we're not sleeping, we're not healing. We're now finding actually sleep is critical for brain health. There's this new concept called lymphatics, that when we're sleeping at night, our brain actually has this ability to flush out toxins in the brain. If we're not sleeping at night, our brain cannot flush out those toxins and irritants that might have accumulated throughout the day. And as results over time, those can accumulate and lead to degeneration of the brain system. So again, sleep is critical for brain health, but also for our body's overall healing process. We also look at people's stress level and how they are dealing with stress, because a little stress is absolutely fine, but too much can lead to wear and tear in the body and contribute to chronic inflammation of the brain. So we encourage people to look at how they're coping with stress, to have a healthy way to deal with stress, because we all have stress in our lives. We cannot get rid of stress completely, but it's in how we cope with stress, our resilience, that's more important. To have some sort of mindfulness practice is very important. And also exercise is a great way to deal with stress. So we look at people's exercise as well. We know also exercise is very important for our overall health, reduce heart disease, reduce diabetes, and it's important for weight control. So some form of exercise can reduce inflammation and reduce disease, but also exercise is very important for the brain. So we encourage people to bring some form of exercise to support their brain health. Now, as an integrative medicine specialist, I don't do this work alone. I have a tremendous team at Center for Integrative and Lifestyle Medicine to help people heal from within using this mind, body, and spirit perspective. This team includes physicians, but also traditional Chinese medicine specialists, acupuncturists, holistic psychotherapist, chiropractic and massage therapist, nutritionist, culinary medicine specialist, as well as yoga specialist and exercise specialist. We are primarily located in our Lyndhurst campus, but we're also found in various locations in Cleveland Clinic, and the number you can call to find us are listed. In addition, we're also available virtually. Many of us can see patients virtually, and again, you can find us through this link that's listed at ccf.org/virtual wellness. Since you're spending a few minutes with me today, I want to share with you some of the tools that are available that you can find online. We can be found on YouTube. If you type in Cleveland Clinic Wellness, you'll find a number of videos that talk about health and wellness topics. Dr. Mike Roizen, as well as Chef Jim, has a In the Kitchen series, which is published every Thursday, which share with you their recipes and tips for healthy food that helps you feel good. And again, you can find this in Vimeo, and the link is listed here. In Vimeo, you also find various yoga videos that's published by our yoga specialist, Judy Barr, breath work, as well as meditation that you can use on your own in the comfort of your own home. Now, from me, I would like to share with you some of my favorite recipes. This is a recipe I call the Pain Buster, made with ginger, goji berries, turmeric, and some pepper corns, which helps you reduce pain and help you reduce inflammation. A very similar recipe can be used to help you fight off colds at the early onset of cold and flu symptoms. Ginger and turmeric are so popular for reducing pain and reducing inflammation. You can find this in the recipe called Golden Milk Tea. This is adopted from Dr. Andy Weil's Golden Milk Tea recipes. And don't forget, bath is a great time for you to take care of yourself. And by adding some Epsom salt, baking soda, and some essential oil, this can be very relaxing as a way to support yourself on a week or even day-to-day basis. Finally, there's a simple recipe for massage oil you can make at home with a simple oil and some essential oils. Now, this recipe is adopted from Kathy Keevil and Minnie Green's Aromatherapy, A Complete Guide to the Healing Art. As you explore the rest of this booth, you'll find all those recipes posted, as well as link to the different Vimeo and the YouTube videos. And again, I thank you for your time today and your interest, and I wish for you a life full of happiness and health. Thank you very much.